Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee WK Laredo X in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross-path detection, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 42,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, SELEC-TERRAIN system, power sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7663.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.